Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I want to show you this really cool cabinet bracket attachment for your stack racks.
Stak Racks has done it again with making these great time and space saving gadgets. I love these cabinet bracket attachments. They make painting cabinet doors go so quickly and easily, and they are so user friendly. You just have to attach the brackets to where the hinges would be on your cabinet door, and it's going to hold up and support your cabinet door so that you can paint both sides and the edges super easily. I don't have a fancy sprayer, so I just did this with a brush and it works just as good. And look how easily these stack on top of each other. They will click into place and they hold them there while they dry. It just saves so much space when you're doing a big project and you have to paint a lot of doors at once. You don't have to take up an entire room just to get your cabinet doors painted. It also comes with a support pin that you can place inside the handle hole, and when you are done, all you have to do is remove the bracket attachments and put your hinges right back in place, and your project is done and you have a beautifully painted door.
So before you start your next cabinet project, get these bracket attachments for your stack racks. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.